Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Acura TL door handle. First, gather your essential tools for this task. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver for various fasteners and a flathead pry tool to safely remove trim pieces. A 10 mm socket with a ratchet is crucial for bolts, and needle nose pliers will assist with small clips. Having these items ready ensures a smooth process. Next, we'll detach the inner door panel. Begin by locating and removing any visible screws, often found behind small covers or within the door handle recess. Use your trim tool to gently pry around the edges of the door panel, releasing the plastic clips. Once loose, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors for switches and the two door handle cables before fully removing the panel. With the door panel off, you can now access the exterior handle. Carefully peel back the vapor barrier, which is usually a plastic sheet, to expose the internal mechanisms. Locate the 10 mm bolt that secures the outer handle cap and remove it. After this, you will need to unhook the connecting rod, which links the handle to the door latch actuator. This often involves flipping a small clip. To reassemble, reverse the steps. Carefully slide the new handle into its position, ensuring it aligns correctly with the mounting points. Reconnect the connecting rod and secure the 10 mm bolt. Then, reattach all electrical connectors and door handle cables to the inner panel. Align the door panel clips and firmly press it back into place. Finally, replace all screws and trim pieces. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.